Creating a label well on a book cover allows a customized label to sit flush with the surface of the cover, protecting the edges of the label while giving the finished book a refined, professional appearance. There are several techniques to create a label well, and today we'll look at two common methods. The first method involves removing material directly from the binder's board. Using a sharp knife, carefully score the outline of the area where the label will sit. Then, with a microspatula, gently lift and peel away a surface layer of the Davy board. This process can be time-consuming, but it creates a recessed area without adding any additional thickness to the cover. As you work, aim to create a well slightly larger than the label itself, allowing a small amount of wiggle room. Keep in mind that the thickness of the cover material, such as book cloth or leather, will reduce the depth of the recess once the board is covered. The second method creates the well by building up the surrounding surface rather than removing material. Cut a piece of bristol board to match the size of the cover. Then, cut out an opening where the label well will sit. The opening should again be slightly larger than the label to allow for accurate placement. Paste the bristol board onto the binder's board using Jade 403 PVA glue, aligning all edges carefully. Place the board under a flat surface or in a book press and allow to dry thoroughly. This method is often faster and produces a cleaner and more uniform result, though it does make the front cover slightly thicker than the unlabeled backboard unless you also line your backboard. Once the well has been created using either method, the boards can be covered as usual. Apply adhesive evenly across the boards, taking care to ensure adequate glue coverage inside the recessed area. Lay the boards face down onto the book cloth to form the case. After positioning, flip the assembly and use a bone folder or Teflon folder to gently press the covering material into the well beneath it. This step slightly stretches the material so it conforms smoothly to the recessed shape. Book cloth with some flexibility, or leather, tends to work especially well for this process, along with cutting an X into the material. Continue constructing the case as normal, turning in the corners and pasting down the edges. While the case dries under the weight, it can be helpful to place a piece of bristol board cut to the size of the well inside the recess to help maintain a crisp and even shape. After the case is fully dry, apply PVA adhesive to the back of the label and position it carefully within the well. Place interleaving material such as silicone release paper or wax paper over the label, then dry the book under weight to ensure strong adhesion and smooth, flush finish. The result is a cleanly inset label that is both visually elegant and structurally protected.